Today I'm repotting this jade plant that I bought a couple weeks ago, and it is pulling away from the sides of the pot and it's very dry. When I got it, it was pretty wet, but now it's dry and it's kind of hard to get a hold of it, but as you can see, it's wet on the bottom and the top is dry. So I don't like the soil it's in. It's very wet and thick and heavy. I have cactus mix that I'm going to put it in. Wow. Losing a lot of little roots. The roots are very fine in this plant. Some dead leaves in here. So heavy on top. Okay. I'm going to leave that soil on it because it won't have any roots at all if I keep going. So here's my cactus mix. Let's see how it fits in there. Yeah, I think I have a little too much. I'm using the same pot. And then we're going to put some soil on the sides. This is peat base with perlite lava rock and a little bit of orchid bark, just some smaller pieces. I think that plant will be better. It was really pulled away from the sides of the pot. And it was still wet on the bottom, but dry on top and pulled away. So I don't know what was going on with that. Oops, don't fall over. It's a little top heavy. I'm going to cut off a couple of these stems that are kind of some cuttings that I can start. And make it less top heavy. And it'll branch out. Every place I cut, 2 leaves will come out, or 2 branches. Well, let's just make sure I've got all this. This side needs a little more. still wants to fall over. Okay, that's better. You can see where it was cut and now it's got two branches coming out. So where I've cut it, branches will come out from the leaves. I don't know about this one, probably from those leaves right there. And that's it. I just need to water it. Again, this is my water that's treated with pond start. Let's get its tray so I don't have super soggy soil here. It's very important to water after repotting so that the roots can settle in, although this one's roots were so fine. Let it soak up from the bottom. So I'm going to put this back. Need to take off some of these lower leaves, which themselves can to start new baby plants. I love jade plants for that. So there's 4. Some more soil. Not going to water them because I need to callus over, but I don't have a safe place to put them where they can do that in peace. Taking off these leaves. That one. Look, it's getting a new shoot right there. So all these leaves will grow baby plants. It's like beautiful to know that and to do that. And I've still got 3 more. I'm going to put these together. This one's got a little curve in it. So I'll let these single leaves callus overnight. And there. So there's my starts. and they will be watered tomorrow, and they'll be available in my store when they root. Same with the leaves, but those take a long time to make a plant. Anyway, that's my video for the day. I hope you like and subscribe and come back and see other videos that I make. I sure appreciate it. Have a great day.